As we turn to the weather now, Lonnie's here looking at water and warmer temperatures. Thinking about the water temperature itself. What about that?
Well, water temperature right now, okay, because we've had such a hot summer, right? I mean, water temperatures now are still in the upper 60s. I mean, there's plenty of times, all right, that I'll tell you. I grew up, you know, my family, we'd go to the coast of Maine. I never swim in water warmer than the upper 60s, and that's what it is right now at this point in time. Let me show you guys what we have right now outside. Here's your picture, all right? It's a pretty looking sky. It's been a good-looking day for a good chunk of the day. Early this morning, you probably woke up and you had all that cloud cover out there, but we told you, hey, have faith, have faith. It's going to break up. You get the sunshine. Partly sunny skies right now. It's all sunshine, clear, 66 degrees. High temp, 69 degrees, 67 your average, so 2 degrees above the average. What do you expect as we look ahead? Well, for your day tomorrow, it's going to be warmer than it was today. All right, but it's going to be much windier tomorrow than it was today. Could be a few stray showers. I just don't think it's going to be too much. Better chance for the rain is going to be north of New York City. That's where I think you could maybe find a little bit heavier downpour isolated here or there, but I don't think it's a widespread rain event for our area. I just don't. We are stuck in the 60s come Thursday and Friday because this front that's going to come through will drop the temperatures, right? But then you get to the weekend, and right now, temperatures going back up on the weekend. Looks like another good weekend is brewing for us. Right now, the skies, again, we're looking just fine. The raindrops that we had all associated with a little trough off our shores. Little raindrop around the Rhode Island shoreline. Now, here's your big picture, right? There's that trough we're talking about. Our next chance for some rain would be tomorrow night as this front drops in. Now, as this front drops in, again, ahead of a cold front, you always get that burst of southwest wind kicking in, and wait to see how they kick in tomorrow. Put it into motion and watch this. Getting into your late afternoon, early evening hours, 6 o'clock, you've got some wind gusts out there. Now, these are not sustained, so it's not blowing for the whole night, but I mean, 30 and 40 mile per hour gusts out there at 6 o'clock on Wednesday. That's a blustery afternoon for you. I want to take you down to the tropics and show you what is going on one more time here with Delta. Delta right now about 200 miles from Cozumel. If everything holds true, and Hurricane Delta with 145 mile per hour winds grows in strength over the warm water as it approaches the Yucatan, this could potentially make a landfall in the Yucatan as the strongest storm they've ever had. Wilma right now holds the record with 150 mile per hour winds. This is projected to be borderline Cat 5 with 155 mile per hour winds, then making that big curve going towards the Louisiana coastline, possibly as a Category 3, or is it going to be downgraded as it pushes further inland? Well, let's watch this. I want to zoom in a little tighter, show you there's the crossing. Okay, that's going to be on Wednesday. The landfall around Louisiana would be late on Friday. But if you look at how we see it on the computer models, watch this. Category 4 right now, all right? 3 back to a 4, and it's a 3 as it makes its landfall. This is showing Friday around 9 p.m. Do we see anything out of it? Well, here it goes. It's sort of churning to our south, but it starts to spill in some moisture, possibly late Sunday, possibly late Monday into Tuesday as well. Just know that chance is out there. If you see the raindrops by the end of your weekend going to the start of next week, they're going to be tropical-related raindrops. 74 for your day tomorrow, so it's even warmer out there. That stray shower chance, the better bet would be north of the city, kind of blustery out there as well. Here's the extended forecast. So 74 tomorrow, we talked about that. Then as that front comes through, we drop the temps. 64 on Thursday, 65 on Friday. I talked about how a pretty decent weekend is stacking up. 72 Saturday. Some late clouds fill in. Sunday, you're 72. The clouds are a bit thicker on Sunday. If I've got to choose right now, I'm going with Saturday, but come on, they're looking pretty similar. Late Sunday, going into Monday, that's where you start hinting at that rain chance. That would be related to Delta. We're going to watch this one very carefully, but what a tropical season this has been so far, guys. That is my 7-day forecast. It's all yours.
Okay, Lonnie, thank you.
You bet.